Let's pack a one lucky scoop for Donna's cat. One flower bowl. 2 glove wipes. 1 mouse toy. 1 pet laser collar self-teasing toy. You can use this USB cable to charge. Three spring mouse teaser wands with suction cup. 1 plush silver vine chew stick. I exchanged it for a bird because she doesn't like silver vine. One silver vine fishbone toy. Exchanged it for a pillow. 1 cat scratch pad. 2 plush striped cat wands. 1 roly-poly toy. 1 cat laser point. 2 cat hair clips. 2 massage grooming brushes. This is a gift. Finish. That's all for this order. See you.